Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to convert duration to seconds in Google Sheets. For this example, we have a column of personal record times containing time durations like 00, colon 05, colon 30. That's 5 minutes and 30 seconds. To convert the duration to seconds, in the designated cell, type this formula, equal sign, then select the cell with the corresponding record time, then type asterisk 24, asterisk 60, then another asterisk 60. Let us break down these values that we multiplied to the duration. 24 converts days to hours, 60 converts hours to minutes, and another 60 converts minutes to seconds. Then press enter. Make sure that the cell format is set to number, not duration. To do that, go to Format at the top toolbar, hover over Number, and from the menu that appears, click Number. To apply it to the rest of the durations, hover your cursor in the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula until your cursor transforms into crosshairs. Then, drag it down until the last record time to apply the formula to the whole data. So, that is how you convert duration to seconds in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.